Hi everyone, this is Abdullah Suleimana, the founder of Beginners Ladder YouTube channel. I'm here to make a brief introduction of Beginners Ladder. Beginners Ladder is a study medium or a channel through which beginners of IT can learn and explore their knowledge in the field of IT and become IT gurus, hopefully, in the near future. One may ask, who is an IT guru or who is a guru in the IT field? Basically, an IT guru is someone who can use an IT tool to perform a task. From this definition of IT guru, it doesn't necessarily mean that you should be someone who can program or who can write a line of codes to perform tasks before you can become someone who is an IT guru. Once you are someone who can use an IT tool to perform a task, cheer up. You are an IT guru. Just like credit on you. So if you are someone who is much passionate to become an IT guru, this is your house. Try and become a member of the house. One may ask, what is the main agenda for the channel? Actually, Beginners Ladder targets, but not limited to, beginners of IT. And when I say beginners of IT, I mean those who are passionate to learn IT and they have never done that before, or they have never done IT before. So if you are such a person, you are welcome to this site. And earlier I said it does not mean that we are just limited to beginners. Yes, we are not limited to beginners in the sense that those who are already in the field may overlook some basic things, and they are of much very importance, especially when it comes to office work. For example, if you are someone who can program, you are someone who can write line of codes to perform tasks, and maybe your boss may just see you at the office or at workplace and you will say, hey, chairman, come and help me. They need me to act on something quickly. Or maybe I want to send something to my boss at the top there, maybe Accra, so that he will act promptly and give me feedback right now so that I can use it for another work. And maybe you go there, you can't even send a document for someone to act promptly. Actually, it's going to be a very big headache on you, which is something you could have just used, let's say, maybe less than 5 minutes to do. So there, it will look like your knowledge in the IT field is not of much importance because that basic thing you couldn't do it. So even if you are in the field, it's still very necessary that you should join so that those basic things you might have overlooked will brush over them, and at the end it's going to add to you, but I don't think it will reduce anything from you. So Beginners Ladder is a place to be, whether you are a beginner or you are already in the field. And how do you become a member of the family? All you need to do is to Google computer basics / Abdullah Suleimana. On your screen, the first video you see, or you look for a video entitled Computer Basic 1. Click on that link, it will open. Try and watch the trailer. Very soon I'll start to drop tutorials. So for now, watch the trailer, like it, subscribe to the channel by just tapping on the subscribe button, and you'll be part of the family. If you have any comment, don't be greedy. Try to write your comments under the comment button. Try and become a member. I'm looking forward to seeing you being part of the Beginners Learner family. Thank you very much for your time. And I'm looking forward to seeing you as a member of Beginners Learner family. Thank you for your time.